If your staircase becomes an obstacle in your house, our modular UP Stairlift can convert your staircase into a comfortable way up. Your advanced UP Stairlift will bring you safe, smooth, and whisper quiet from bottom to top. At the top, it automatically turns the seat so you can easily get off the lift with both feet on solid ground. The UP comes standard with your favorite color of leather and with an automatic swiveling chair, footrest, and even an intercom in case you ever need assistance from us or your nice neighbor. The armrest and seat are foldable, so your UP requires minimum space on your staircase. Because of UP's unique modular rail system, you are able to reuse your complete uplift on any other staircase, so your UP is not a one-time investment. See how our UP can change your way up.